Have you been struggling with hair loss for years? Maybe 2, 3, or even 5. It's easy to feel like there is no hope and that it's too late to do anything. But here is the great news. It's never too late. You can still get the hair you have always wanted in just a few months. Hi, this is Dr. Akshay from iGraft. Let's talk about Mr. Suraj Reddy. He faced baldness for years. His hairline started receding in his late 20s. As you can see, this is Mr. Reddy's 1 year later. His 3 years of hair loss is past. Now you might be wondering, will this work for me? Well, our advanced DFI hair transplant technique is ranked number 1 in India for 5 years in a row, and we have successfully performed over thousands of procedures and results that last up to 29 years. You can be confident that you are in excellent hands. Now, what sets us apart is our outstanding 99% satisfaction rate and a remarkable 98.6% fulfillment rate, which truly reflects our commitment to you. Our innovative techniques ensures maximum follicle count and density tailored just for you with zero downtime, meaning you can return to your daily routine the very next day. And here is the biggest advantage of all. Our procedures come with zero scars. That's right. No visible scars, no pain. But we don't just stop there. We also provide a free after procedure support review session for 6 months so that you never feel alone in your hair restoration journey. So what are you waiting for? If you are ready to get your confidence back and transform your life, then click to the button below. And because the time is now, don't wait till it's too late. One more thing. iGraft DFI Hair Transplant ensures a complete zero root touching technology which ensures best results. Second, iGraft DFI Hair Transplant ensures 99.9% follicle survival for maximum return. Third, iGraft DFI comes with 29 years of assurance, ensures complete value for your investment on your looks.